Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Instagram challenge required error. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and then you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Instagram here and click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to simply turn off your smartphone and turn on again, and then you need to log in into your account on Instagram, and then hopefully your issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.